I built an AI software company that makes over $500,000 every single month, and right now I'm going to rebuild it from scratch with one no-code AI tool that nobody's talking about right now. And by the way, I have zero technical background and you don't need to either, because we're using the best no-code app builder that exists right now. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how I take tools from inside my multi-seven-figure software company and turn them into standalone AI digital products, complete with branding, a sales page, and payment processing, so you can start earning money right away. And if you're wondering, well, Richard, what qualifies you? Let me explain. In the last 5 years, I've made a little over $30 million selling digital products and software tools. And recently, I was even featured in the New York Times Square for the impact I've had on thousands of my clients. And I was even invited to speak at the largest online marketing conference in North America. But to be clear, I have zero technical background. I don't know how to code. I just simply figured out how to use simple, no-code prompting to do this. And that's why this works even better if you don't have any technical experience. And no, this isn't about basic templates or generic PDFs. This is about using AI to build real revenue generating digital products without a single line of code. And I've tested every AI building platform out there, and I found this one that completely changes the game. Because what used to take months of development and coding and hiring engineers costing tens of thousands of dollars can now be done in literally minutes at a fraction of the cost. The opportunity here is massive, but it will not last forever. The AI tool that's going to do all of the heavy lifting for us here today is called Base 44. And by the way, I've got you guys a 50% off discount in the first link in the description. That is a special link that's going to get you that discount so you can follow along with me. But before we start building, let me show you exactly what we're going to replicate. So this right here is one of my companies. It's a software company called Allen AI. This is a software that I built with my team over the last 14 months, and transparently, I've invested well over 7 figures into building this product. I have a full team of engineers and non-technical team members that run this business for me. And inside of the software, there are multiple tools that generate tens of thousands of dollars. And when you add them up, it generates a little over $500,000 every single month. And I'm going to show you how to replicate this software with zero code in less than the next 4 minutes. Now, if you've seen any of my other videos, you've watched me use this one product builder right here to create digital products. And the way it works is simple. You type in a prompt, you pick the product type. It can be a course, a blueprint, a guide, an ebook. You choose what branding and what colors you want. You choose the length of how long you want the product to be, your output format, and when you click submit, it generates a complete sellable digital product. This is one tool inside of my software company. And again, it generates over $500,000 a month. So what I'm about to show you right now is how to build your own version of this exact tool. Yes, duplicate and copy my tool, and we're going to use Base 44 to do it. Now, you're literally copying what I built, except instead of 6 months, it's going to take you less than 5 minutes to do so. Now, a year ago, you would have needed to hire a full engineering team to build something like this. But right now, with one AI tool, you can build all of the software yourself. So let me go ahead and share my screen and let's open up Base 44. To start building out our AI digital product tool, the first step is giving Base 44 a clear prompt, which is basically instructions that outlines specifically and exactly what we want it to build. So we're going to type in this right here. Build a digital product creator tool where users can enter a topic, select a product type, ebook, guide, checklist, or worksheet, and choose a length, short, medium, or long. And when they click generate, the tool creates a fully formatted digital product with the title, table of contents, and complete contents for each section. Include a preview of the generated product and a button to download it as a PDF. The design should be clean, modern, with a simple, intuitive layout. So I'm going to hit enter and let Base 44 do its thing. It's going to take the prompt, it's going to plan out the build, and it's going to start creating this entire AI software tool for us automatically. And just like that, Base 44 built us a working digital product creator. You can see right here that there is a field to enter any topic that you want. And below that, you can choose your product type, whether that's an ebook, a guide, a checklist, a worksheet, and then you can just simply select how long you want it to be. Now, let me test this out. I'm going to type in a topic, select ebook, and then click generate. Look at this. It's literally building the entire product right now. Title, table of contents, full sections with real content. This isn't placeholder text. This is actual usable material that someone would pay for. Now, I'm just going to click download, and it gives me a fully formatted PDF. Guys, think about what just happened. One prompt, that's it. And now we have a working AI software tool that can generate complete digital products on any topic, ready to be downloaded as a PDF and ready to sell. But right now, to be honest, it looks a little generic. So let's fix that. Now that we've got the core product builder working, it's time to actually make it look like something that people would pay money for. Because right now it works, but it looks a little generic. And the difference between a product that someone scrolls past versus a product that someone actually throws the credit card at and buys comes down to branding. So let's go ahead and add a new prompt to refine this. Add a style and branding section before before the user generates the product. Let the user enter a brand name, choose a color scheme, professional blue, warm coral, forest green, or minimal black and white, and upload a logo. Apply these branding choices to the generated PDF. The brand name and logo should appear on the cover page, and the color scheme should be used throughout the entire document for headings, accents, and section dividers. And now you can see that Base 44 added an entire branding section. There's a field for your brand name, a color scheme selector, and the option to upload your own logo. Now, let me generate a new product with branding this time. Hey, look at the difference. The brand name is on the cover. The color scheme now runs throughout the entire document. The headings, the section dividers, literally everything matches. This went from looking like a generic AI document to something that actually looks like a real product that you'd pay $67 for. And that was just simply one more prompt. And again, a prompt is just a 2 to 3 sentence set of instructions that you're giving to the AI tool. We're 2 prompts in and we already have a tool that creates branded, downloadable digital products. But we still need a way to actually sell this. So let's build that next. Now we've got the product and we got the branding. But having a great product doesn't matter if you don't actually have a place to sell it. So the next step we'll do here is to build an actual landing page, a real storefront where a customer can land, see the product, and understand the value and then take action. So this is the prompt that I'm going to type in. Add a landing page as the homepage of this app. This page should showcase the digital product tool as a service that customers can purchase. Include a hero section with a headline, a subheadline, and a get started button. And then below that, add sections for key features and a preview of a sample product, customer testimonials, use placeholder text, and a pricing section showing a one-time purchase price of $47. The get started button should take the user to a checkout or sign up page. And there it is. Base 44 just built us a complete landing page. Look at this. There's a headline up top, there's a sub-headline explaining what the product does, and there's a clean call to action button. Scroll down and you've got a feature section, a sample product preview so people can actually see what they're selling, testimonials, and a pricing section showing $47. And when I click the get started button, it takes me right to the product builder. The customer clicks the sample button and they can see an example of what the product looks like before they buy. 3 prompts, and we now have a tool that creates a digital product, a branding system that makes them look professional, and a landing page to actually sell them. This is a real business taking shape now, but there's one missing piece. Now that we've got the product, the branding, and the storefront, the final step is actually getting paid, right? We need a checkout page so that someone who decides that they want to buy this, they can put in their credit card information, pay it, and then actually download immediately. So let's add on this next prompt. Add a payment step before users can download their generated product. After a user clicks get started and builds their product, they should see a checkout page where they pay $47 before downloading. Integrate Stripe checkout for the payment process. Show a summary of what they're purchasing, the price, and a pay now button that takes them to the Stripe checkout. And after successful payment, redirect them to the download page for their product. Now we have an actual checkout page. You can see right here, there's a summary of what the customer is buying, the price at $47, credit card detail fields, and a pay now button. From here, all you do is connect your Stripe account and you're live. Customers land on your page, they see the product, they click buy, and they pay, and they get access, and you get paid. That's it. And by the way, at any point during this process, if you get an error, don't worry about it. That's totally normal. You just type in another prompt telling Base 44 to fix the issue, and it handles it. That's the whole point of this tool. It's so easy to use without any technical experience needed. So let me put this into perspective for you. You just watched me build a complete AI digital product business in 4 simple prompts. A tool that creates the product, the branding to make it look professional, a landing page to sell it, and a checkout page to actually collect payment. Think about this. If you charge $47 for this product and you just get 2 sales a day, that's almost $3,000 a month from one single AI digital product that you built in less than 5 minutes. And you can build more than one. You can build 5 of these. You can build 10 of these, each one of them targeting a different niche, each one generating its own revenue. And by the way, I want to remind you that these are software digital products, which means they don't have to be $47, but rather $47 per month. So what happens when you begin to stack these customers? 2 customers per day. And if every single month you consistently acquire just 60 new customers, you're stacking $3,000 a month in monthly revenue every single month on top of each other. So here's what just happened. An entire AI digital product business built step by step, powered by one single no-code AI tool. And what took me 6 months and a full engineering team took us literally 4 prompts. From product creation to branding to sales page to payment processing. This is not a prototype. This is ready to sell. And the best part is everything you just watched today was built with one single tool doing all of the heavy lifting. No code, no developer, no shortcuts, just clear prompts and real outputs. Listen, if you want to start building AI digital products like this yourself, I'm gonna make it easy for you. I worked out a deal where you can get Base 44 for 50% off using the special first link in the description. On top of that, when you sign up for Base 44 through my link down below, you're gonna get access to a free masterclass that I put together for you that's gonna help you get the most out of this tool, and a full case study breakdown of how I scaled the digital product business from 0 to 10K per month, 100K per month, and eventually over $500,000 per month. That full masterclass, which is normally a $500 investment, I'm going to give to you for free when you sign up with Base 44 with the first link down below. That's my token of appreciation for you being here part of my community. Just sign up with the first link in the description and then message me on my personal Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram down below with the word complete, and then I'll send you free access to the masterclass immediately. Now, if I showed you what's possible with just a few minutes of AI prompting, imagine what you and I could build together next. Hit me up in the comments below if you have any questions and let me know what you want to see me build next. I appreciate you being here and watching this, and I'll see you in the next video.